Hello and Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Ali Raja Bagan Bari UK. I am your host Aqib Ullah.
I am Ali Raja. Assalamualikum.
London has been in lockdown for a week now, and I know it's really boring at home, but we need to stay home for our safety and other people's safety.
But that shouldn't stop us doing exercise. For example, if you had a park nearby, you can go for your daily walk and get some exercise done. Or if you have a garden, do gardening.
We need to exercise to build up a stronger immune system.
Having a stronger immune system will help you fight the disease.
Please watch the video till the end because we're going to be showing you how to make a healthy smoothie which makes you build a stronger immune system.
And we'll be showing you the type of exercise that you can do at home or in a park nearby. Things like bike riding or jogging and maybe walking. But you don't have to keep yourself stuck in home all the time. As long as you're not doing social gathering like going to restaurants, bars and pubs and whatever, even mosque. Stay home and you can do your prayers. So without further ado,
let's get into it. Come on guys, let's get some exercise done. Right now we are in Puzzles Park, is 100 meters away from my house, and my dad's doing some jogging and I'm doing some bike riding, but after a bit we're going to switch over. And did you know Boris Johnson has coronavirus? Boris Johnson, our Prime Minister. Mr. Boris Johnson, if you are watching this video, please get well soon. We need you to fight through this coronavirus and we need you for our country. Today's a really cold day, but I always enjoy exercising because after our exercise we always have a healthy drink. This healthy drink that we're talking about, it helps your lungs and it helps your immune system to get stronger.
I have been a smoker all my life. From the age of 14 I have been smoking. So I'm 54 now, so that's been many years. 40 years I've been smoking. You know, I really wish that's the only bad habit that I had all my life, smoking. I wish I never had gone into smoking. It causes a lot of complication in your later years of your life. Things like lung disease, asthma, coughing, and coronavirus is a disease that affects your lungs. So I've stopped smoking about 2 weeks ago. Now, if you're a smoker, please, it's not worth it. Stop smoking. It will kill us. And the amount of money we spend on cigarettes is ridiculous.
With all the money that you spend on cigarettes, you can go to holidays, stuff like that, instead of doing smoking, which is a bad thing.
Okay, it's nearly £12 a cigarette.
Oh,
£12, yes.
So expensive.
Now, I've been smoking from the age of 14. Now, 40 years. The amount of money I spent on cigarette, I could have bought a house with that money.
That's lots of money.
Look, everybody's exercising. Look at that man.
He's push-ups on the rock. Going up the hill right now. Oh, I can't go that way. It's too stiff. Really heavy. Yes, I'm finally up. Now I'm just gonna go back a bit, turn it around. Ready, steady, wee, I'm back! Whoa, that was so close. It's a really windy day and I'm going down the big hill now. Let's go. Dad, look at me! Whoa! Whoa! I felt like butterflies in my belly. That was so cool. I love heights. Dad, did you see me?
That was good, yes. I don't like heights. I'm just scared of heights.
I like heights, but sometimes it gives me butterflies in my belly. Guys, now we're going to be going home and we're going to be making a healthy smoothie which helps you with your lungs. So let's get into it. I feel really good and buzzing after that exercise in the park. Now I'm feeling really thirsty. Let's make the magic drink that I was talking about. This drink boosts your immune system, and coronavirus weakens your immune system. So if you have a strong immune system and you ever get coronavirus, it could fight it off. So what we will need is 2 kiwis, an inch of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 celery sticks. After you get these ingredients, cut them up into little pieces like this. And you will need to blend them with a little bit of water. And we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric because turmeric is really good for you. Add a teaspoon of turmeric. Add some cold water. And add a teaspoon of honey. 1 teaspoon of honey. Now let's blend it. There's nothing better than a healthy smoothie after a good exercise. We always drink this in our house every morning. Let me try it now. It tastes really nice and refreshing. It tastes really good. I like the taste of the turmeric. It gives a nice hint to it. This tastes really good.
Let me try this. This is an amazing drink. It's very healthy and it boosts your immune system. So let's fight the coronavirus together. Let's keep ourselves healthy and fit, do exercise, stay home, and don't forget to look after your neighbors.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe because I upload every week and I make gardening videos, cooking videos and traveling videos, and I make personal vlogs. I'm going to leave the smoothie recipe in the description down below. Try it out. It's very simple to make and it's very healthy. Stay safe, stay at home and help your neighbors. Assalamualaikum and see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Assalamualaikum. I'll see you in the next one.